Hello everyone, my name is Ikhwan, and I will give you a reason why many people believe classic film are good than temporary film. So let's start it. We know many people believe basic film are better than new movie because they often feature timeless storytelling, well-developed character, iconic performance, and a focus on the deeper theme, which can be less prevalent in modern film that prioritize special effect fast-paced and well so providing to windows into the past culture and social norms to their historical context. Um, Let me give an example. The first is about Alfred Hitchcock with Psycho, Rear Windows, and Vertigo. It's very different culture when me and you give some pace from basic film in modern, like Interstellar, Prisoners, or like coming of age, Lady Bird, Boyhood, and each other lah. However, this is a subjective and the taste about film is very difficult to choose each other, but it depends on this individual preference. Key reason why classic film are often considered superior is the first about strong character development. Classic film often prioritize in-depth character development, which allowing audience to deeply connect with character and their motivation. Okay, my experience is about Barry Lyndon by Stanley Kubrick. The first hour in the film, which is the duration is about 3 hours. Uh, I think Barry Lyndon have a development character who is beyond. Why? Because Barry Lyndon can reach the Linden. Linden is about uh, class in the London, which is it's very motivating and very influence each other like Willem Dafoe, Denis Villeneuve, and I don't think so, but Brandon Sanderson is influenced too. The second is about timeless themes, which is classic narrative often explore universal human experience like love, loss, and redemption, which remain relevant across the generation. Okay, we talk about Shawshank Redemption, which is it's about boneless redemption from Andy and Red, but in the end, we know that it's very genius about Andy. In the Shawshank Redemption, Shawshank Prisoners, he crop the bricks and why people think IMDb ratings in number one because it very describing about narrative and the especially about Stephen King is novel. The third point is about pioneering filmmaking, which is techniques about even though visually less advanced, classic film often pioneered new cinematic techniques that laid the foundation for modern filmmaking and cultural significance. Classic film provide a historical lens into past eras, reflecting social norms, fashion, and attitude for all time. Uh, Shelley Duvall. It's about actress from The Shining. He is about fashion too. That my opinion, Shelley Duvall is very genius in to to passion and to best performance too. That's why iconic performance is the last key from reason why classic films is better than modern films. Many classic movies like Godfather feature legendary actor delivering unforgettable performance that are often considered benchmark from acting. Okay, you know my four favorite film. The first is about Godfather by Francis Ford Coppola. It used my three actor greatest of all time. The first is Marlon Brando, second Al Pacino, and the third is Robert De Niro. Until now, I can have stigma that gangster or mafia film make sure to be Godfather. it can be lost that my rating not 5 but just 3. However, it's just subjectivity, important to remember that. But subjectivity is important too. Whether a classic film is better than a new one is entirely subjective and depends on personal taste. That's why modern advancements, contemporary film, benefit from advanced technology, allowing that for visually stunning special effects and complex visual its storytelling, it's very important too. Variety in both eras, not all classic films are superior to new movie, but eras have their share for great of not so great film. The character seems warm and more approachable, their stories and emotional connecting more readily with our own, and this film were made far less technology than available now. Yes, somehow yet still managed to convey sense of intimacy and nostalgia that's often missing from the cult modern day production. That's why my theory about Godfather is very interesting because cinema it representation have development cinematic from language and even they acknowledge from value of character. Modern film is more capable of expressing abstract ideas. That's why I am rating from 1 until 10. It I think century about 19. We can choose Christopher Nolan maybe. It very famous director, but the all of film by Christopher Nolan not order in 10 most narrative scene in film history. So that while the term classic can be feel a little subjective, we all have our favorite, right? There are certain qualities and most classic films share. This movie have some kind and magical blend of storytelling, artistry, and emotional pull that make them stand out across the generation. Okay, lastly, I choose The Wizard of Oz in 1939. It's a good narrative and good cinematography too, but the visually is stunning. However, the film is in 19th century. That's why I think classical film is better than modern film because it's timeless, not iconic like this contemporary film. But classics is very timeless, like Marlon Brando in Godfather by Vito Corleone, uh, Lord of the Rings, Aragorn, Arendelle, terus Andy, Freddy Krueger. I think it's very make sure that classical film is better than modern film. This is my opinion. Thank you so much for watching me. If you have any opinion, you can typing in below. Thank you.